JavaScript Explained. JavaScript was a single-threaded language made in 1995 in 1 week by a guy named Brendan Eich. He worked at Netscape and wanted to create an easy-to-learn language. It was originally named Mocha, later changed to LiveScript, and renamed to JavaScript, trying to copy Java, a famous language at the time and popular at Netscape. JavaScript is mainly used for front-end development but can also be used for back-end through things like Node.js. JavaScript also has many frameworks that can be used. But JavaScript doesn't need to be only used on the web but can also make virtual reality games through React 360 and mobile apps with React Native. Or desktop apps with Electron. JavaScript is also a fast language at certain tasks, like in Node.js backend. It's fast at sending, reading or creating or editing files. And the reason it can do this is even though it is a single-threaded language, it uses an event loop that queues tasks to the background without disturbing the main flow. To get started, first create a new JavaScript file with some simple code. Because we are running this in the front end, we are going to create a HTML file to display our code. By linking the HTML and JavaScript file, we can now run our code and see the output in the console. JavaScript can also access elements in the HTML file by using something called the DOM, which stands for Document Object Model. If we grab our button from the DOM and add an event listener to check when it's clicked, we can make it output this code. Now when we click the button, we see the results. If you like our content, consider subscribing and liking, and I'll see you in the next video.